I mean, isn't that an opportunity? Isn't that a chance for you to put some food on your table and going out? Because I've been to many countries and I've seen Kenyans. They are the most hardworking people, hustlers, man. I've been to South Africa. I've been to the UK. I've been to the Middle East. I've seen Kenyans. They put in work. So why wouldn't you not consider Somalia as one of the places that you can put in work as an opportunity? Why do you want to put an obstacle? I'm not advocating for Somalis from Somalia who are my brothers and I love, by the way, to get IDs. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, why are you putting obstacle on an opportunity for all of us? Where you think ahead for our children. Where you can have a Kamau in Mogadishu and a Mohammed in Nairobi. Why can't that not be an opportunity? Why can't Kamau sell his potatoes in Somalia one day? Get his waru and from Nyeri and all the way to Mogadishu. Or sell his milk or tea. Isn't that an opportunity? Isn't that access to new places to do business? And new places for you to be a teacher? Or to be a student? Why are you moving away from that opportunity? Why are you just looking at the negative? Didn't you even think about the positives of this? Or you have been so brainwashed by these politicians that want to use you as a footstep to get into power and continue dividing you and closing your eyes on the opportunities that are in front of you.